I'm Vallejo Maricris. Today, we tackle about distance between 2 points. Here is the problem. Finding the distance between the points A, coordinates of negative 2 and 1, and B, with the coordinates of negative 5 and 5. We plot the points. Negative 2 and 1. Here. Negative 2 and 1. Here's the point. And second, in B, negative 5 and 5. Negative 5 and 5. Here. Here is the point. Then, by finding the distance between 2 points, here is the formula. P1, P2 is equals to square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 plus y sub 2 and y sub 1 minus y sub 1 squared. Then, this point is the A with the coordinates of negative 2, 1. And this is the B with the coordinates of negative 5 and 5. And this is the x of 1 and y sub 1, and this negative 5 is the x of 2, and this 5 is the y sub 2. Sub 1 and y sub 1, and the x sub 2 and y sub 2. Then let us solve the problem. Square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Let us substitute the coordinates. X sub 2 is negative 5. And x sub 1 is negative 2. Squared plus y sub 2 is 5 minus x sub 1 squared is equals to a square root of negative 5 plus 2 squared plus 4 squared. Let's simplify. Negative 5 plus 2 is equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared equals square root of 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16. So, square root of 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Square root of 25. Square root of 25 is equals to 5. Therefore, 5 is the distance between P1 and P2. Then, here is the distance of negative 5 is the P1 and P2. In Pythagorean theorem, if the P1 lies vertical through the x-axis and P2 lies to the y-axis, then we form, if this is the P2, And this is the P1. Then, this is the vertical line to the x-axis, and this is the parallel line to the y-axis. Then here we form 90 degrees. And this is the Q of P x of 2 and y. And here is the other example. A with the coordinates of 3, 2, and B with the coordinates of 5, 4. Let's solve. P1, P2, square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Let's substitute. 3, 5 is the x of 2 minus 2 squared plus 4 and 2 squared is equals to 2 squared plus 2 squared is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Square root of 8 is equals to 2 square root of 2. And this is the P1 and P2. And that's all between the distance between two.
Will you let her go? Oh, no. Will you let her go? Cause you only need